These are the elevators at the Luddy, what's the name of this? Luddy Center for Computing and Engineering, I think. Oh, they're glass. Look at this. Well, not really much of a view.
Fourth floor.
Let's get a cab view here. I mean, that side window's nice, but you could say it's anti-scenic. Just generic elevators with monitor TR. A classic for IU. 2,500 pound capacity. 2,500 pound capacity. Let's look out here. You can see the other elevator. And there's the counterweight for the other one.
Fourth floor.
You can see all the equipment right there.
Lower levels.
And there it goes. And that is going to be it.